The Supertrend indicator is known for its simplicity and its accurate predictiveness of the market. Even by itself, this indicator can be pretty decent. In this video, I'm going to showcase an oscillator version of this indicator that can be way better than the traditional Supertrend indicator. We're going to go over what this indicator is, the best settings to use when trading with it, and we'll also combine it with two other technical indicators to create a simple and profitable strategy. If you find value in this video, remember to leave a like. Let's get into it. To add this indicator to your chart, go to TradingView and load the 5-minute time frame of GBP USD. Then click on Indicators and type in Supertrend Oscillator. Select the one created by my favorite author, Luxalgo. Big shout out to them. The Supertrend Oscillator is a comprehensive trading tool designed to enhance the traditional Supertrend indicator. It incorporates additional features to identify market trends, retracements, and potential entry or exit points. Now let's access the settings so we can change some features. On the Style tab, change the signal line color to yellow for both colors. Then increase the opacity for the histogram to 80%. Disable the labels option, and then click OK. So we can explore what this indicator is made of. The first component of this indicator is the main oscillator. Its function is to reflect the primary signal of the trend direction. If we add the traditional Supertrend indicator, you'll notice a similarity between the two. Whenever this oscillator is above the zero level, it suggests that the price is also above the supertrend, indicating a bullish trend. Conversely, when the oscillator is below the zero level, it indicates that the price is below the supertrend, signaling a bearish trend. The second feature is called the plots. This is basically a mirror of the main oscillator. When the oscillator is red and below the zero level, this plot is also red. When the oscillator is green and above the zero level, the plot turns green. Since it serves the same purpose, we don't really need it, so we'll go to the settings and disable it. Next, we have the signal line. This yellow line traversing the indicator window is a smooth version of the main oscillator, helping identify trend direction and strength more clearly. Then we have the histogram. It represents the difference between the main oscillator and the signal line and is used to anticipate price crossovers with the supertrend while filtering out potential false signals. For example, when the price crosses above the supertrend, the histogram moves above the zero level. When the histogram drops below the zero level, of course, it reflects the price crossing below the supertrend. This helps eliminate false signals. If we enable all the indicator features at once, this is what it looks like. There's also an upper extremity at the 80 level and a lower extremity at the minus 80 level. When the main oscillator moves above 80, it signals an extremely strong bullish trend. When it moves below minus 80, it indicates a strong bearish trend. Values near zero suggest weak trends, making those areas less ideal for taking positions. Now that we've made enough comparisons between this oscillator and the traditional supertrend, let's remove the supertrend. At this point, you may be wondering how to use this indicator to trade. Using this indicator to trade is actually very simple. As mentioned earlier, we will use it to identify instances where the price has a super strong bullish or bearish trend for entering long or short positions. For example, when the histogram crosses above the 80 level, we would look for long positions, provided we have other confluences from additional indicators or price action. On the other hand, for short positions, we would look for areas where the histogram is below minus 80. Like any other trading indicator, this one should not be used alone. Because of that, let's add another tool to the chart to create a simple and effective scalping strategy. We'll use an indicator called Support and Resistance with Breaks and Retests by this amazing author. This indicator creates support and resistance levels on the chart. The red level represents support and the green level represents resistance. It also labels breaks above resistance and below support levels. More importantly, it monitors retests of these levels, which is key to our strategy. The basic idea is to identify a break and retest of a support or resistance level, then enter the trade on the retest, provided the trend is strong enough to push the price in the direction of our trade. The trend strength will be confirmed using the Supertrend oscillator. For example, in this long trade, the first condition was met when a candle broke above resistance, followed by another candle that retested the level. If we look at this retest candle in the oscillator window, we can see that the Supertrend oscillator was above 80, confirming a strong bullish trend. Now you may notice 2 extra candles on the right, meaning it requires confirmation from 1 or 2 additional candles before validating a retest. In this case, it needed 2 extra candles. So we enter the trade at the close of the last confirmation candle. The stop loss is placed below the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk. Here's another long position. A resistance level was broken and then retested. The 2 extra candles confirmed the retest. Looking at the retest candle in the oscillator window, we see the Supertrend oscillator closing above the 80 level, confirming the bullish trend. Note that the oscillator condition only needs to align with the retest candle, not the extra confirmation candles. For short positions, we do the opposite. Identify a support level, wait for a break and retest, and ensure the Supertrend oscillator confirms a strong bearish momentum. If the histogram is below -80 at the retest candle, we enter a short position. Set the stop loss above the most recent swing high and target 1.5 times the risk for take profit. In summary, the Supertrend oscillator offers traders a more nuanced view of the market by improving the traditional Supertrend indicator. This strategy combines it with breaks and retests, a common price action method. If you're interested in this strategy, be sure to do your own backtesting and forward testing to evaluate its effectiveness over time. Oh, and by the way, if you're looking for a way to automate any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts so it does the job for you while you're away, make sure to watch the recommended videos on your screen. Believe me, you will thank me later. That's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.